Good evening students. Today I am going to teach for class 6 biology chapter 1 food, where does it come from. So before starting to the class, if you want to join online you can join. Okay, so now let's begin with the class. What did you eat at home today? So today what did you eat at your home? Find out what your friend ate today. So you should also find what your friend ate today. Okay, did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? So here the another question is, whatever food you have taken today has been taken the same food by yesterday also. We are asking about this question. So we all eat different kinds of food at different times, isn't it? So we will be eating different kinds of food at different times. Okay? We will not be eating the same kind of food yesterday or today, right? So we will be seeing 1.1 food variety. Activity 1. Ask your friend in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. So you have to ask your friend in school about what items he has eating during a day. Okay, he or she. If you can also get this information from friends staying in different states of India. So you can collect the different states of India's food. Okay, the food is varied from region to region. Okay, list all the items in your notebook as given in table 1.1 for as many friends as possible. So we have to list out in this tabular column different kinds of food what your friends are taking in. Okay, there seems to be so much varieties in the food that we eat. So there are variety of foods present in that we take food. Okay, figure 1.1. So in figure 1.1 there are different food items present in the world, in this world. Okay, what are these food items made of? So these food items what are made up of? Okay, things about rice cooked at home. So we have to think about the rice which are cooked at home. So we will be cooking our food at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. So to cook the food, we have to take only two ingredients, that is raw rice and water. Okay, just two ingredients are involved and we will be preparing our boiled rice. Dish of a boiled rice. Okay, on the other hand some food items are made with many ingredients. So on the other hand the food items which are including many ingredients, to prepare vegetable curry we need different kinds of vegetables, salts, spices, oils and so on. So to prepare a curry we need different kinds of food items, right? So that is vegetable, salt, spices and oil, so on. So we will be seeing the activity 2. Choose some of the items you listed in table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare this. So in table 1.1, whatever we have listed in this table, we have to take those ingredients and we have to prepare this by discussing with our friends and elders at home. So we have to discuss with our friends and elders at home. List them in table 1.2. So here in table 1.2 we have to mention. So here example has been given: roti, chapati. Ingredients are atta and water, dal, pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee and spices. So whatever food you are preparing at your homes, you have to mention in this tabular column. Okay. Some examples are given here. Add some more items to this list. So you have to increase this list. Okay. So next, what do we find? Do we find some ingredients common for different food items? So we will be finding some different ingredients which are included in different food items. Okay. Discuss in class. So where do these ingredients come from? So from where these ingredients are coming from, we will be seeing it further. Okay. 1.2 food materials and sources. It may be easy for us to guess the source of some of the ingredients that we listed in table 1.2. So as earlier we have seen the table 1.2, which is the sources of some of ingredients are listed. Okay, fruits and vegetables, for instance, figure 12.a. So here the plant sources are shown in this figure. Where do they come from? So from where they are coming? Plant sources means they are coming from plants. Okay, plants of course, right? What are the sources of rice or wheat? So sources of rice or wheat are, these are grown in fields with rows and rows of plants. So you may have seen paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants, which gives us these grains. So we will be growing the paddy and wheat fields in rows. Okay, rows and rows of plants, which we are getting the grains from these plants. Figure 1.3. So in figure 1.3, they are showing it as a, so we are showing the plants in a rows. Okay, and then there are food items like milk, egg and meat, which comes from animals. So the sources which are coming from animal are milk, egg and meat. These are the food items which are coming from animals. Activity 3. Let us take food items listed earlier and try to find out where they come from, the ingredients and their sources. So to know about the food items which you have earlier, we have to know that from where these food ingredients and sources are included. Okay, are coming from. Some examples are shown in table 1.3. So if we are seeing this table 1.3, ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. Idli. Idli ingredients are rice, urud dal, salt, water. So all these ingredients are coming from a single source called plant. Likewise, for chicken curry, we need chicken, spices, oil or ghee, water. So in this, for this from these ingredients, it is coming from both animals and plants. Okay, and kheer we are getting it from both milk, rice, sugar. We are getting it from animal and plants. Okay, this is the table of 1.3. Fill in the blanks in table 1.3 and add more examples to this list. So like this we have to include this still more ingredients to this table. So next, what do we conclude from activity 3? So we are concluding from activity that plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. So plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. Animals provide us the sources of food which are coming from animals are milk, meat products and eggs. So these are coming from animals. Okay, cows, goats and buffaloes are some common animals which gives us milk. So from cows, goats and buffaloes we are getting milk. And milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese and curd are used all over the world. So milk and milk products are the products which are used throughout the world. Can you name some other animals which gives us milk? So here they are asking, can you name any other animal which gives us milk? 1.3. Plant parts and animals products as a food. So plant parts and animal products as a food, we will be seeing it further. Plants are one source of our food. So plants is a one source of our food. Which parts of the plant? So which parts of the plant we are consuming as our food? We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants. So we eat leafy vegetables of some plants, and from some plants we will be eating its fruits. Okay, some roots and some stems and even flowers we are consuming consuming it as our food. Okay, figure 1.4. So here different edible parts of the plants have been shown. Flower, this is the fruit, stem, leaf. So this nodes, internodes and buds. So this all includes under root system. Okay, and the root system includes primary root and secondary root. Okay, have you ever eaten pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste and fried till it? Try it. So, have you ever eaten pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste and fried? Try it. Some plants have two or more edible, eatable parts. So, some plants containing two or more edible parts. Seeds of mustard plants gives us oil, and the leaves are used as a vegetable. So, if we see the mustard plant, we are utilizing its oil from seeds, okay, and the leaves which we are utilizing as a vegetable. Okay. Can you think of the different parts of a banana plant that are used as a food? So if we see the different parts of banana plant, we are used it in our food. Okay, think of more examples where two or more parts of the single plants are used as a food. So you have to think and write the examples of two or more parts of a single plant which we are utilizing as a food. Okay, table 1.4, plant parts as a food. Food items with plants as the major source, ingredients or sources, plant parts which gives us the ingredients. So if we see the brinjal curry, we require brinjal, chili as a spice, any other oil from groundnut, mustard, soya bean, any other plant. So brinjal is a fruit. Chili as a spices is also a fruit. Oil from groundnut, mustard, soya, beans, any other plants are coming from the seeds. Likewise, we have to include all the plant parts as a food in this table. Okay. So next, we will be seeing it as a do not try to taste unknown plants around you to see if they are edible. So plants could be poison. So before tasting any plant, we should be aware that every plant is not edible. Okay, it may be a poison also. Okay, so be careful while you are tasting the edible plants. Okay, activity 4. So from activity 4 we will be continuing it in next class. So if you like my videos, you can join my online classes. Okay, thank you. Thanks for joining in. Bye bye.